What is the nth term for each sequence below? When we are asked to find the nth term, this means to say that we must find what is the equation that works for each term of the given sequence. So we must be able to find an equation that contains n, so that when we substitute the values of n, which are 1, 2, 3, and so on, then we're going to get these terms. So again, the values of n are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so when n is equal to 1, okay, what can we do with 1 to get 4? So, one example is we can add 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now, you can check if adding 3 works for the next terms. When we have n is equal to 2, okay, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, it works. Let's go on to the next. 3 plus 3 also. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. So, adding 3 works for all of the terms of this given sequence. Therefore, the formula for a sub n is equal to the value of n plus 3. A sub n equals n plus 3. For number 2, we have 3, 9, 27, 81. What pattern can we see here? We can see here that 3 is being multiplied by 3 to get 9. Then 9 times 3 is also 27. Then 27 times 3 is 81. That means to say that, okay, we are multiplying the number 3 by itself. We start with 3, then multiply each term by 3. Now, remember, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, if we have the number 3, we can give it an exponent of 1 to get 3. And then, if we give this 3 an exponent of 2, we will get 9. Then, this 3, if we give it an exponent of 3, we'll get 27. And this 3 raised to the 4th power will be 81. Therefore, the nth term, or a sub n, equals 3 raised to the nth power. Or a sub n equals 3 raised to n. For number 3, we have 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1. The number 1 is not changing except for its positive and negative sign, which go alternately. If we have a base, for example, of positive 1, it's not that easy to give it a result of negative 1. Okay, but if we start with a negative 1 and then give this negative 1 certain powers, then we will arrive at positive 1. Let's say, for example, okay, again, n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let's say, for example, we have negative 1. If you raise it to 1, the answer will be negative 1. But this is positive 1. So, let's try to add another power. So, negative 1 raised to 1 plus 1, or negative 1 raised to 2. Then that way, it will result to positive 1. Then next. Again, if we have negative 1 and then we raise it to 2, then we also add 1, or negative 1 to the 3rd power, then we have negative 1. Then negative 1, okay, raised to 3, plus 1, let's give it a plus 1 also to the 4th, then we have positive 1. So we notice that the value of n must be increased by 1. Okay, so that power is the value of n plus 1. Therefore, our equation is a sub n equals negative 1 raised to n plus 1. So, this is our equation. Now, I want you to try number 4 and number 5. Discover the equation for sequence number 4 and sequence number 5. Kindly write your answer in the comment section. Thank you.